Look at how cute. So I cannot wait to figure out how I'm gonna situate this in this living room. It's just been on since I just shared that with you guys in a haul. Okay, so I'm about to take all this stuff down and we're about to rearrange some things in here. I already moved this little box over here. I've been throwing stuff out over there, getting rid of stuff. Basically what I'm about to do is rearrange, remove all this stuff. So I need to get all this stuff moved out the way and move all this stuff right here. And let's see if I can get this done. Okay. And it's about to be over. I went on and moved this over here because this is probably where it's gonna go. And this is how the little shell looks without without the fireplace. So okay, let's do this. I've already taken, here's a little baby German fireplace that's sitting right here. My little gift boxes. Okay. This is, some of it it's coming loose, but some of it, like this, came unstuck, which is good, but this right here is kind of stuck, so I don't know how I'm gonna move this. So that's what I'm working on, trying to move this without trying to make a big old mess and break stuff up. But then I just want to share, everything is down, it's deconstructed. I got the fireplace down without breaking any of it. Look. All right, now it's time to remove all this stuff out of here. But I'm so glad I did not crack or break any of the glass because I did not feel like cleaning up or getting cut. Well, I just brought my little Target table in here. That was a fail. The fireplace don't fit in there, it's too big. It's too large. So now I may have to go back and use this frame and try to recreate another stand. I really, really hope that this table will work. And that table was, pulled everything off, but this is where that table was, right here. But it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So I'm back to trying to figure out what to do, how to make it work, because I don't know. I thought about using that coffee table, but it may be too wide. But I guess I'll go ahead and try that way, the way I thought about. I don't know if that's gonna work, so I don't know. I'm over here stumped now. Okay, so I like the height of the fireplace with the bricks, but unfortunately this little stand cannot fit around the fireplace, so I don't know how I'm gonna get my TV back on the wall. I'm just at a standstill because I don't have any idea what to do. But I just took apart all of the fireplace here. Well, that piece can't come apart, but everything else is taken apart. I'm just kind of stuck, and my plant is dying. My poinsettia is dying. Oh, I got stuff everywhere. Look at this, just stuff everywhere. You guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share with you. I got it to work. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I was almost about to have a little baby tear in my eye when I figured it out. So this is what I did. I removed the feet, and it had like a little metal little plate that it comes with as well. I removed that, and then I was able to put it in my little Target mirrored table. Look at how super perfect it fits. So perfect, like this table was made for it. My heart is racing because I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So I put the table, and I had this, you know, for my other fireplace, I just added this piece of glass there just so I wouldn't see the side of the fire. I mean, you can still see it because if I can't find the remote, I'm still able to access the buttons right here. So that's why I didn't close it all the way off. But you can definitely use your Target table if you don't want to wall mount your fireplace. So that's why I wanted a stand. Now soon, very soon, we're going to get a TV, and I am going to mount it on the wall, and then this will be cleared up. But right now, I'm just so excited about this fireplace. You guys, you don't know how excited I am that it fits so perfect in this table. Okay, and here's the remote. You can definitely play around with the fires here. Ooh, that's cute, the blue. So, I think it has 5 different settings if I'm not mistaken. So, I'm just ecstatic. I just wanted to share this little baby transformation here in my living room. I tell you, you got to just start somewhere and then just gradually keep upgrading.
I would love to know in the comments, which one is your favorite? The one I DIY'd completely from scratch, or the one I just kind of baby DIY'd? Let me know which one is your favorite. I love them both.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so many people said they were going to go and try to find this fireplace. So, you know, if you don't want to wall mount it, here's an idea for you to use your Target stand. I put this little, it's like a little clip because I thought about going ahead and decorating it before the season ends. My little, oh, look at it, it's dying. So I think this is about the last day or so. We had fun. So now I need to figure out what I'm gonna replace there. And then look what I did on the side. Here, let me move this really quickly. I couldn't put a mirror on the top, but I was able to use that box I just created and put my stuff in there. I had to put the cardboard because we were having internet problems, and the man was like, do you have a lot of glass besides your internet? And I did. I mean, glass and mirror. I laughed because I was like, it's a lot of mirror. So it was messing with our internet. So I put this cardboard there so to disguise it. And what I can do, I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but where is it at? Here's another idea I thought about, just going ahead and placing. This is a placemat. You know, I've been using these little things. This is, I just pulled it off my coffee table. But I can also hide the top of it, but I don't know if that's gonna mess with the signal or anything like that. So I just left it open until I can figure out. Cause yesterday, and then I had this little piece of, I had pieces of glass over it as well, trying to hide it. But as soon as I put the glass on top, my son was like, it was messing with his internet. So that's why I took that off. But nonetheless, right now, while this plant is here, you really can't see. So now this is what I have over here. Get these little plants, is dying. But there you go. There you go. It wasn't even, I don't even know how I got on about my plant, but there you have it. I am so over the moon happy about how everything is turning out. And look how good it looks with my mirror. Just gotta get a TV mounted on the wall. And I think I'll be done with this area until we find our, yeah, I had the lady, that's why she's over there. She was on top of that box over there too. But I just was trying not to restrict the wave to the internet, because it's nothing like having slow internet. Oh, I put, these are the lights. This table, remember, it had those lights on there. So that's what's here on the side. And it's running to the back. I need to finish trying to disguise the cords and tags right here, but I just got that hung yesterday. on the side of here. So there you go. There you go. Here's just an idea. If you guys do go to Big Lots or wherever, order you this is a 42-inch and it fits in the Target table without the feet and all that stuff. Thank you so very much for rocking out with me. I hope you were inspired or whatever the case may be, or just enjoyed this overall video. And I will catch you on the next one. I'm so happy, you guys. Bye for now.